A deadly fire in Hong Kong has become not only a tragedy but also a political test. Today's headline helps us learn 3 useful English words: ʻhaɪ.raɪz, ๊k̒m.pleks, and ɡrɪp. From Reuters. Hong Kong fire poses test for China's grip on the city. A huge fire still burning in a Hong Kong high-rise apartment complex that has killed at least 55 people with almost 300 missing poses the biggest test of Beijing's grip on the city it has transformed since the mass pro-democracy protests of 2019. Vocabulary 1. ʻhaɪ.raɪz. Word, ʻhaɪ.raɪz, noun or adjective. Meaning, a very tall building with many floors. Examples. She lives in a high-rise downtown with a great view. The city skyline is full of high-rise buildings. Memory tip: think high plus rise, a building that rises high into the sky. A high-rise is usually taller than 10 stories. Vocabulary 2. ๊k'm.pleks. Word, ๊k'm.pleks, noun. Meaning, noun a group of buildings that are connected or related to each other, such as apartments, offices, or factories. Examples. They moved into a new apartment complex near the park. The fire spread quickly through the industrial complex. Other meanings. As an adjective, complex means not simple. The problem is complex. Memory tip: complex equals connected together. A building complex is a connected group of structures. Vocabulary 3. ɡrɪp. Word, ɡrɪp, noun or verb. Meaning, noun a firm hold or control over something. Examples. He lost his grip on the steering wheel. Meaning, verb to hold tightly. She gripped the railing during the earthquake. Memory tip. Imagine gripping something with your hand. When you grip a country or city, you hold it under your control. In this headline, the high-rise complex refers to the tall apartment buildings where the fire occurred. And the phrase China's grip on the city means China's control or influence over Hong Kong. That's your daily English from the news. Real headlines, real English every day. See you next time.